discussing about how to create multi-dimensional array. So what is multi-dimensional array? Multi-dimensional arrays are arrays of arrays with each element of the array holding the references of other array. These are also known as jagged arrays. Here is the example, or we can say that diagram of multi-dimensional array. Here is the array ARR, and we can see that it has some different types. It shows the array with 3 dimensions. That is, first one is 361, second one is 279, and third one is 742. It means that here the first block have also the 3 block inside in it. Second block have also the 3 block inside in it, and third block have also the third block 3 blocks inside in it. So in this way we can use the multi-dimensional array, means arrays inside the array. So let's see how to create multi-dimensional arrays. A multi-dimensional array is created by appending one set of square brackets per dimension. For example, int array new int 10 20, a 2D array matrix. Here we can use two square brackets, that's why it we called as two-dimensional array. If we use three square brackets, then we can say that it's a 3D array. See here an example of it. We can use three int array new int is equals to 10 20 10, a 3D array. Let's see the code how to implement the multi-dimensional array. So in this example, we create a class GFG, and inside the class we create the main method, and inside the main method we just use the 2D array, because we use two different square brackets, so we use 2D array. And inside the array we use take two values, that is 1 2 and 3 4, and we use simple for loop for traversing these array and just print the result. Let's just save it and let's see the result. We are already in the location and we use Javac gfg.java for compiling, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java gfg. See, it will give me the answer 001, that is the 00 position the value is 1. For 01 position the value is 2. For the 10 position the value is 3, and for 11 position the value is 4. So in this way we can create a 2D array. If we want to create 3D array, we use the same thing. We use 3 square brackets here, and we use one more for statement, and we use the values for third variable also. So in this way we can create the 2D array. Thank you.